Okay, class.
In a small town, a greengrocer had opened a shop that was located above a deep cellar. Every night, mice came in droves out of this cellar into the shop. They ate apples and pears, grapes and nuts, and did not spare the vegetables and potatoes either. No goods that were in the shop were safe from the
Number of text, 1 name of text, mice performance category. AB number of words, 156 number of syllables, 205 number of characters, 662 reading time in seconds mean SD, 40.416.2 reading speed mean SD words or minute, 236.29. Hello 17,284.
Oh no.
Yes.
Ice cream truck. Goodbye.
Oh my god, I have the ice cream truck.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Yes, I'm sorry.
Oh my god, I have the ice cream truck.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Yes, I'm sorry.
Oh my god, I have the ice cream truck.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Yes, I'm sorry.
Oh my god, I have the ice cream truck.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Yes, I'm sorry.
Oh my god, I have the ice cream truck.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Yes, I'm sorry.
Set go home right now. Ho 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 ho.
That means no TV, no video game, no disc, no movies, no computer, no fast food, no YouTube, no Factbook, no WhatsApp, no Google, no TikTok, CapCut, no birthday, no cell phone, no app on cell phone, no laptop, no PC, no Bluetooth nightclub, no McDonald's, no Club Jazz, no Club, no DVD ice cream truck, a Bob. Go to room right now.